Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you simple ways on how to make Golden Morn. So I have my pig milk, my plate, my hot water, and my Golden Morn. So I'll start by adding my hot water on the clean plate, and after that I'm using tin milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You can also add sugar if you want, but first of all I will tell you when to add sugar. First of all, I'm going to add my tin milk in my water and turn it very well. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more videos on our channel. So after mixing the milk into the water, I have to add my Golden Morn. I bet your children would all ask you every morning to make this Golden Morn for them. It's very sweet and simple. So I added some Golden Morn and I stirred. I found out that the water was still much, so I added more Golden Morn. You can leave it like this if you wish to, but I added a little more in the water. So after that, I'm going to turn my Golden Morn very well. I will turn it. At this point you can add your sugar, but I won't add sugar in my own. It still remains very sweet and delicious even if I do not add sugar, but you can add sugar in yours if you like eating sugar. So this is how my Golden Morn came out, very sweet and delicious. This is how to make a simple Golden Morn for yourself and your family. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.